Hello, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee. Just wanted to make a quick update video on this Alaska that we had fixed yesterday. I'm not the technician who worked on it, but I was supervising almost the repair. And so the customer just asked that we test the milk frothing. Now, we don't have any milk on hand, but we do have water. And I'm assuming when they mentioned that the steamer wasn't working, it wasn't producing any steam out of the spout, which how that works is water gets rerouted into your thermal block on the right side of your machine. You'll see a little bit of smoke puff off the side just because it's priming, but after that it'll stop and it'll redirect all that steam all the way down here through the spout while pulling milk from your carafe and mixing it together. So we're just going to quickly click milk froth, and we're going to let that heat up. And what you're going to hear is you're going to hear the pump kick on, and then it's going to start routing water into your thermal block. And then once it gets to your thermal block, you're going to see a little bit of steam. There goes the pump going off right now. There goes steam coming out through the tip, and a little bit of water coming from your milk carafe. But if it was milk, it would look, of course, different, and it will be foamy. But since water can't do that, we're really just testing to see if steam comes out through the spout. Yeah. We're just going to let it run for its full duration just so we can see the entire thing. Then it's going to cut off. And that's about it. And I hope this video helps.